are not only celebrating Filipino culture. Today we are celebrating the long and strong relationship between Saudi Arabia and Philippines. Kabayan.
Absolutely.
Kabayan. In Saudi, there are more than 1 million Filipino workers. And Kabayan, you know, the relationship between Saudi Arabia and Philippines started more than 50 years ago. And
Yes, parang may history lesson din, di ba?
correct.
Not just party.
Correct, Kabayan. Also, Kabayan, let me mention this. The first Filipino group that came and worked in Saudi was back in 1970. Can you believe, Kabayan? More than 50 years together, Philippines and Saudi Arabia. Kabayan, all together, can we say thank you, Saudi Arabia?
Thank you, Saudi Arabia!
One more, Kabayan.
Thank you, Saudi Arabia!
Maraming salamat. Also, thank you to you, Kabayan, for making Saudi Arabia your second home. Us Saudi people are extra happy to be with Ikaw. Thank you, Kabayan.
Absolutely.
Kabayan, before we wrap this up, let's sing together. Ikaw will sing sama-sama ako. Kabayan will sing sama-sama ako. Here, you will sing with me, Kabayan? Sige, sige. Ready? Bahay ko po.
Kahit muntik ang halaman doon, ay
Sari-sari.
simahal sa talong.
Ano ba?